moving from the era of reusable bags as a fad to an era of reusable bags being the reality by law and a necessity by nature. So I wanted to answer some important questions. Should we just be looking for reusable bags? Or are there reusable bags that are better than others? The simple answer is yes, we are most definitely looking for the reusability factor. And no, not all reusable bags are created equal. The most important question, however, is, are reusable bags the answer, or can they be part of the problem? If they're part of the problem, which ones? I mean, there are so many of them now. To answer this important question, I've gathered as many different kinds of reusable bags as I could dig up in my collection, which is quite extensive, maybe bordering on problematic. Some people collect coins or trinkets. I collect reusable bags from all over. So I thought we'd just talk our way through the different kinds of bags and determine which ones go with which category and why. All right, so the entire point of many of these conservation laws that are coming into effect is to reduce the number of things you use only once and reduce the number of things that are made out of plastic. So with that in mind, let's start with the reusable plastic bag. Yes, it has the reusability factor, so at least it will be used more than once, in theory, since many won't be, but it's still plastic that will never go away and will clog and poison our natural spaces and all who live there. So this one for me lands firmly in the problem category. There's no guarantee it will be reused and it will be toxic trash forever. Moving on to the paper bag. It does have a reusability factor, but not much of one, as they're not very strong. But at least when it's done with its useful life, it will return to the earth and not become forever trash. It does require trees to make, but these can be a sustainable resource when managed properly. So this one lands in the answer category, even if it's not the best answer. All right. Common reusable bags, and these are the ones you get at stores or that are given away for all different kinds of reasons. They do seem to have a good reusability factor, and many of these from my own collection I've had for some time. However, these are all still made out of plastic, otherwise known as polyester or polypropylene, and just like the straight out plastic bag we started with, these too will become forever trash. The forever trash factor puts these bags squarely in the part of the problem category. So if we're trying to decrease our plastic trash, then replacing the old plastic bags with a new kind of plastic bag doesn't seem to change the problem. It may decrease it just a smidge, but it certainly doesn't change the forever trash problem at all. So we also have recycled plastic bags, like this one, or the one from the Maui Ocean Center that I got. Now, even though, so the reusability factor in these is going to be really high because they can be reused for a number of years. I've had these for a number of years. The issue here is that they do become forever trash. The only reason that I put them in the answer category instead of the problem category is because all of the plastic we've ever made is still here on this planet, which makes it super important that we actually find something else to do with all of this stuff that we've already created. So that for me puts these in the answer category, and we just have to be really careful with what we do with them when they have come to the end of their useful life. All right, and finally, canvas reusable bags. These are made of 100% cotton. They are super strong and they hold up really well in the wash if something spills in it. Very important, especially during the pandemic. So their reusability factor is super high. Some of these I've had in my collection are over 11 years old. And when they finally do fall apart, they will return to nature and they won't become forever trash. These are absolutely the best answer to reusable bags that I've found. They can be used for all purposes for many years and they won't become forever trash. So the next time you need a reusable bag, be the pollution solution and think canvas or paper. Thanks so much for diving in, everyone. Be sure to check out Nara Treasures on Etsy and support OceanCore with a donation by way of purchase. And if you have a question or if there's something you're wondering about, send me a comment and ask away. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And of course, whatever you learn here, please kindly share it forward. I'll see you next time.